Working on a 2013 Ford Edge. 13 Ford Edge. We're gonna go ahead and use a socket 13/16, and it has to be long. See how it fits all the way in there without breaking the back end. If you use a short one, you're gonna break the back end. So these sensors leak from here. They crack and start leaking from the middle, all the oil, as you can see. And it already has a thread. You don't have to put no thread or no nothing. It already has it on the new one. Look. So we're gonna go ahead and use these tools here. You gotta just make sure the engine is cold, not hot, because then you're gonna burn yourself. And we're gonna see if we could get to it through here. You might need a longer extension, so we could do it from right here, straight in. And then we have to unplug it. But this engine's pretty hot. Look at all the oil which is leaked right now. A small amount of time. So if you guys have a Ford Edge or any Ford engine, Ford Flex, make sure you check your sensor switch. It's called oil sensor switch. So it's right there, watch. I don't know if you can see it right there. Right there. I'm gonna get it out. Right there, guys. Right there where that plug's at. You see that plug? There it is, right there. It's leaking from the back of the connector. So yeah, let's see how we're gonna get this baby out. I'm gonna get pretty dirty under here. Alright guys, let's get to work. Don't give up. Let's get to work. Pull my hand through the inside between the compressor so we can plug it. I might get some oil coming out. There, I unplugged it already. Put my hand right there. Look, I unplugged it already. It's unplugged. Right there's unplugged. So now we're gonna see if we could get the tool. Make sure you get a good light. The headlight for your head will help you too. There, we're gonna connect it right here to the back. There it is. Some drops coming down from the connector. Look at that. See that? Because the oil sensor cracks from wear and tear. There's the sensor right there. You can see it leaking, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. You save thousands. You take it to the dealership, they're gonna charge you thousands of dollars, and you can do it yourself. Sensor was only $15.90. That's all. So now the problem here is how we're gonna get these extensions all the way in there. We're gonna need some more extensions. I don't think I'll be able to get the ratchet that far. Let's see. Okay, that's where it's plugged in, perfect. But now I need to connect the sockets. I'm gonna need an extension like I'd say like 1 inch or 2 inch. Alright guys, so we're gonna need most likely a 3 inch so we could get it extended to the back because it's just too close to the compressor and we don't want to take off the compressor obviously. There's a 3 inch plugged in right there. Right there. So now let's, even if you have a 3.5 might work better, but let's try a 3 inch. I think 3 inch is better. Got this long bar breaker. I'm gonna go through here in between or through the back. Let me see. I'm gonna put the phone down, guys, because I gotta connect this. Let me see. Make sure you jack the car off high enough. Right about there. You get a better angle there. Let's put it in, plug it in. It's kind of hard to plug into it. Oil coming down on this. Connect it, okay guys, we're gonna just plug it in down here. Hard to get the socket in there. If you get the right adapter, right connector, you shouldn't be struggling. What'd you guys drop over there? Put everything back how it was. Please. I think I got it loose right there already. Yeah, it's loose right there, guys. So I got it loose right there already, so I'm gonna do it by hand right now. As soon as it gets more loose, put it out by hand. I'm gonna use a smaller socket now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish it with this one. Let's see if we can get it out. If it's still hard, we have to keep using the tool. But if it's not, we're gonna do it by hand. But I already know that sometimes it feels like you can do it by hand now, but it's still hard because we're using a big socket. Hey, Robert, ¿quién anda allá afuera, Robert? Who's that over there?
I can hear you.
¿Quién anda acá atrás? Who's this? Check. Check.
Jimmy.
Who?
Jimmy.
Okay. I'm gonna try to do it by hand now. The socket's pretty hot. I can see it's almost out. It's almost out, guys. We're gonna get some oil coming out. So pretty quick, put the new one in there. But you gotta first screw it on. First screw it on. There we go. All right, guys, we got the new one in there. And now we're gonna tighten it up. This is the old tinter. So it's coming out through the middle. Now we're gonna tie this one up, but we need a smaller wrench. That way we don't struggle. Because right now it's tight. Tight to tie this one up. It's tight. And we're gonna go ahead and tighten it up. I like using a big pry bar because sometimes they're stuck in there like so strong, like you're gonna struggle with the smaller one. So I just use one of these. It was easy to loosen up right away. And then when we're done here, we're gonna go ahead and clean off the engine with the engine off. You should stop once you get to the end of the stop. Came right off. Hold on. Let's go ahead and check how deep are we. How close are we to finishing up right here? Yeah, we're almost done. See right there, look, guys. Right here with the light. We're almost done. Right. Right there. So yeah, we still got a little bit more to go. Let's keep going. So there you have it, guys. So we're gonna clean up underneath the engine and turn on the engine, make sure it doesn't leak no more. We put it in all the way already. Right there, you can see right there. Right there. Okay, you see it down there in the far end? There you go, guys. Don't forget to plug it in either. We plugged it in. We're gonna go ahead and degrease that area right now real quick. Let's go ahead and degrease that area. Let's go ahead and clean under there. Degreaser, so we wanna make sure we get all the way up there. Yeah, right there, I can see it. Whatever we can, and we're good to go. I'm gonna pressure wash down here again, okay? But the kids won't get wet, you think?
No.
Because the water splashes everywhere, that's fine.
It's just water, no?
Go ahead and turn it on. Yeah, we should turn it on, leave it running a little bit. It shouldn't drop no more, you know? So we let it run for a little bit and make sure it doesn't leak no more, guys. So don't forget to let it run for a little bit. Make sure you got no leaks. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe, it really helps out. And we'll do more videos. And I'm going to verify, let it run for 5 minutes.